To parry an AI limit, identify the parry ability icon. In the first and second images, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where your quick use items are located. The topmost icon in the diamond-shaped cluster is typically where a frame ability is equipped. In the image, this icon shows a green glowing circle with a white symbol inside and a number 1 next to it. The parry ability is often a frame ability and based on community discussions. It's frequently assigned to the I button on a keyboard or an equivalent controller button, often the one for your primary special skill. Next is activate the parry. The parry in AI limit is known for being a bit different from other Souls-like games. It's predictive, meaning you need to start the animation before the enemy attack connects, as it has a short wait up. And finally, press the button corresponding to your quick frame ability. If you succeed, the enemy will be deflected.